How to make money with Superpayme. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason, and this is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money online, as all you'll be doing is a few surveys. Yes, you heard me correctly. Superpayme is one of the best survey websites around. And if you are questioning whether they are legit or not, you can see their Trustpilot ratings right here. And if you want to do further research to check their legitimacy, you can simply tap right here. And by the way, they have paid out over $4 million thus far. Yes, you heard me correctly, over $4 million thus far. This is definitely one of the best websites if you are interested in doing paid surveys and start earning some PayPal or cryptocurrency money. And how does this work? Well, if I should scroll down, you can see you can not only get paid to do surveys, but you can also make extra money online by completing offers and trials and games and watching videos. There are numerous ways how you can make money with Superpayme. And as you can see here, they have a fast payment plan, as you'll be able to get paid 8 hours within 8 hours, and you'll be able to cash out with as little as $1. And as you can see, alternatively, you can use one of their e-credit, e-gift card options if you would like that method of payment. And if you're wondering whether you can sign up with Superpayme if you're not in America or so on, you can definitely sign up, as I'm in the Caribbean and I've signed up already, and I definitely see the benefit of joining Superpayme. But as it comes with majority of these survey websites, don't expect to make tons of dollars instantly, as it does take a while and it all depends on the amount of surveys that are available. And by scrolling down here, we'll see some more things about Superpayme. How do online survey sites work? Well, as you can see here, it's very simple. A few minutes is all you need to complete a brief survey on your computer, phone, or any other device. That's the beauty about Superpayme. You will be able to earn money from any device, whether that be your smartphone or your tablet. And you can get paid to not only do surveys by sharing your thoughts, but as I said earlier, you can get paid to watch movies also. And do online sites actually pay? Yes, Superpayme does pay. And how much can you earn? Well, the average earning per single survey are typically between $1 to $1.50. Members can earn up to $50 per day taking surveys for cash. Some online surveys can pay as much as $10 per survey. So it all depends on the length of the survey. And I also realize that your earning potential depends a lot on where you're located, which region you're located. And if you should tap right here, it's quite easy to sign up. As you can see, you'll only take 30 seconds to register, as all you'll need to do is put in your first and last name and create a username and password and enter your email address, and that's it. You'll be ready to start earning money. But a quick way how you can make even extra and more money with Superpayme is by getting a referral link. As when you refer someone to Superpayme and that person signs up and start making money with Superpayme, you'll be getting 25% of the money that they make. So imagine that the person that you let signs up is earning $100, you'll be able to get $25 for simply referring them. It's as easy as that. So I would definitely recommend that you not only go onto Superpayme and start doing surveys or watching movies to make money, but you definitely tap on the referral program at the bottom right here and start sharing your referral link, as that's definitely a plus and a quick way to make even more money with Superpayme. And if you want to see an how-to guide, you can also see that Superpayme has teamed up with OfferWall. So OfferWall is one of the programs that allows you to not only get some of the best paid surveys, but also other ways to make money quickly online. And you can choose to get paid via PayPal, Skrill, or cryptocurrency. So if you want to earn some Bitcoin, this is a quick way to get some. And you can also get paid via gift cards, whether that be Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, or numerous options. There are definitely a lot of ways to get paid when it comes to Superpayme. As you can see right here, some top tips to make money online with Superpayme. You can simply start with a plan, set a realistic goal. As I was saying earlier, don't expect to make tons of money straight off the bat. When it comes to Superpayme, it definitely takes a while before you build up any money. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make money with Superpayme and overall how to start making some money online. If you like these type of videos, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I release daily videos on how you can start making money online.